Gotta love it. Lennox furnace. Full of water. Drain line was clogged, or still is clogged. And evaporator coil is partially frozen, but you can see water. Watch. Flooded. 2-zone bypass, or 2-zone zoning system. Units off. Bypass damper is open all the time, which is probably that with a dirty filter while the coil is partially frozen. Drain pan still full of water. This is just, I've only been up here about 10 minutes. Here's one zone. Comes out of this terrible supply plenum. But check this out. Comes over, up. And runs the length of the house. But gets better. Look at this. Wow. Looks like it's been dripping at some point in time. Imagine that. Supply flex in a 130-degree attic. Other zone is back there. Check out our return. Look at that beauty. Whew. Deja vu, fellas, deja vu. So I have the float switch out so the unit would shut off, but it's just been blowing the water that's in that pan, just blowing it out and overflowing it into the supply plenum. And yeah, this switch was just leaking out of the bottom. So it wasn't filling up high enough to shut the air conditioner off. And it hasn't filled up the pan high enough. Can't tell if we're draining there or not. It doesn't look like we're doing much draining. Yeah, good times. Lots of quotes to make out here. Day in the life.